Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient, it has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. There are many health benefits of consuming baking soda water. In this video we will share each of them. However, consuming excessive amounts of baking soda can hamper the activity of your muscles, brain, and heart. So you must remember not to overdo it. Here are 14 amazing health benefits of drinking baking soda water. 1. Anti-fungal and antibacterial. Baking soda has been shown to kill off bacteria including Streptococcus mutans, which is a type of bacteria associated with tooth decay. It is also effective against various fungal groups including yeasts, dermatophytes, and molds that cause skin and nail infections in humans. 2. Alleviates urinary tract infections. A scientific study published in 2017 examined the effects of baking soda on female patients with lower urinary tract symptoms who also had acidic urine pH levels lower than 6. After 4 weeks of taking it orally, the researchers found the urine of the subjects was alkalinized and there was a significant level of positive effects on symptoms and symptom scores. Overall, baking soda appears to be an easy and inexpensive way to improve UTI symptoms accompanied by acidic urine, with little to no unwanted side effects. 3. Helps with digestive issues. Baking soda is known to help to neutralize acid and improve pH balance in the body. It is often used internally to quell digestive dismay such as acid reflux or heartburn. When these complaints are due to overconsumption of acidic foods or a generally acidic state of the body, slowly drinking some baking soda in water can help to neutralize the acid and get your body's pH back to a better place. Don't think more is better when it comes to taking baking soda though. It's important to note that consuming too much baking soda can cause an increase in acid production. 4. May help prevent kidney stones. Iron deficiency, excessive acid, and even dehydration in the body can cause the growth of kidney stones. Baking soda water helps alkalize the urine to dissolve the uric acid, which in turn helps to remove kidney stones, further restoring the pH levels of the body. 5. Boosts kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology looked at the effects of sodium bicarbonate on 134 patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, and low blood bicarbonate levels. What did they find? The subjects who supplemented with bicarbonate tolerated it well and were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. Additionally, there were less patients that developed end-stage renal disease, ESRD, in the bicarbonate group compared to the control group. 6. Reduces muscle pain and fatigue. Studies to date have demonstrated that taking sodium bicarbonate before exercise, also known as bicarbonate loading, may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance that includes 1 to 7 minutes of sustained strenuous exercise. In addition, sodium bicarbonate may also be helpful for prolonged physical activity involving intermittent or sustained periods of high-intensity training. So is there a benefit to using baking soda as a training aid? It could be useful to try and support the training session to allow the athlete to train harder, but also to reduce some of the negative side effects of having a high acidity in the muscle, so you may get less damage to the muscle and a better training outcome in the long term. Another small clinical study of 8 healthy male subjects found consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling improved their sprint performance. 7. Reduces inflammation. Baking soda helps reduce inflammation that further prevents the development of arthritis that affects mostly joints. It is due to the accumulation of uric acid in the joints. Baking soda helps raise the pH levels to alkalize the blood, preventing deposition in joints. 8. Improves oral health. Healthy gums, strong teeth, neutral breath, and a clean tongue determine your health and hygiene. In addition, it is essential for preventing diseases and disorders related to the mouth. For example, do you know that one can find initial symptoms of diabetes in the mouth? Diabetes results in high blood sugar which weakens oral health. According to a study, baking soda has natural whitening properties. Baking soda is a known ingredient in the production of commercial toothpaste. It is a mild abrasive that scrapes off surface stains on the teeth. In addition, it provides an alkaline environment in your mouth. This quality further prevents the growth of bacteria from avoiding tooth decay and retaining your gums in shape. Some say that having baking soda water every morning can help with mouth ailments and freshen your breath. 9. Improve certain cancers. It is important to note that cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. In such a case, baking soda does not prevent cancer development. But according to a study, it serves as an effective complementary treatment for people who have cancer. In simple terms, it can be an able supplement product during the treatment procedure. However, do not use baking soda as a substitute for regular medication. Drink a tablespoon of baking soda in a glass of water as a DIY method to improve pH balance in the body, which could prevent several illnesses. If the taste is unbearable, add half a teaspoon and drink it twice. Add some lemon or honey to enhance the flavor. 10. Baking soda soothes canker sores. Canker sores are also called aphthous ulcers. They are small and shallow lesions that develop on the soft tissues in your mouth or at the base of your gums. They do not occur on the surface of your lips, and they aren't contagious. Baking soda is known to restore pH balance and reduce inflammation. Therefore, baking soda plays a role in resulting in soothing the canker sores. For canker sore relief, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of water. Gargle this solution for 15 to 30 seconds, then spit it out. 11. Baking soda beats sugar craving. Sugar cravings occur due to an imbalance in blood sugar levels. Blood sugar levels increase when you consume sugar. Then insulin lowers it to a safer level. When the insulin levels in your body are low, that's when you feel sugar cravings. Just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of warm water and rinse it with your mouth whenever you crave sweets. This will help with your sugar craving. 12. Baking soda water for constipation. Baking soda water can be used to clean out the colon. Make a solution of 1 teaspoon of baking soda to approximately 1 cup of warm water. The baking soda reacts with stomach acids to stimulate a bowel movement. 13. Baking soda water for a sore throat. Just like with a saltwater gargle, a baking soda gargle could also help you fight off a sore throat. This home remedy isn't as widespread as gargling with salt water, but it can be just as effective. Baking soda helps kill bacteria and keep it from spreading. Just try gargling for 30 seconds or try sipping baking soda water and it will soothe your throat. 14. Stomach bloating and other stomach issues. As stated earlier, baking soda can be used to relieve heartburn, sour stomach, or acid indigestion by neutralizing excess stomach acid. When used for this purpose, it is said to belong to the group of medicines called antacids. It may be used to treat the symptoms of stomach or duodenal ulcers. By drinking baking soda water, it can neutralize stomach acid, and this in turn helps relieve gas and bloating. As a general rule, to make baking soda water at home, all you need is half a teaspoon of baking soda and a glass of water, which is about 200 milliliters. Mix both the ingredients and drink once in a day. However, it's recommended people should not use sodium bicarbonate for longer than 2 weeks at a time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda and water. Thanks for watching and bye for now.